mother. Sobrang yan, persistent and sobrang talagang malagain. Sorry for the Tagalog. Yun. Talagang napaka-bait na asawa. Loving wife. Yeah. Tapos I want to thank the Lord for everything that He has done for family as well, especially in aming life here in London. So, lahat ng challenges nagdaan namin through sa Philippines pa until now. Thank you, kay Lord, for always looking after us, especially with the children. And also, I would like to thank you kasi nung birthday niya, we took the life in the UP test. Fortunately, I passed. Yung first time, she didn't pass. She was so frustrated, so upset. Because
I memorized all the book.
You know, because she memorized the booklet that you 418 questions. She memorized it, even though closed eyes. She is not even reading the question, just answer all correct. Then when we took the test, she was like 1 point short. Then for my side, I was surprised that I passed.
Without review.
Stock knowledge.
Wow. Finish.
Hallelujah!
Anyway, and then we called Pastor and then we told the news. And then she told me, I will take again tomorrow. She booked again. So the first thing 5 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So yesterday I accompanied her to the test again. And then we prayed again. We prayed again. You got this, Lord, for her. And then after 5 minutes, she went out. She said she passed because.